Yes, I'm my erudite son. Okay. You know, your intending return home will be a momentous occasion. Yes. You see, your academic sojourn abroad has truly equipped you the requisite expertise needed for you to head the reins of our family business. Yes, my son. No problem. No problem. All right. Take care of yourself. No, sir. I know his mother will be happy to hear about it. You gladden her heart. I know I'm not going to hear anything in the house. No Saturdays, no Sundays. Oh, women. Let me just rest my head out.
I will. Hold on, sir. Let me call you back.
Hold on, sir.
Why are you just cleaning this office now?
Sir, I'm sure it was a mistake, sir.
What? Mistake?
It was traffic, sir.
Traffic? Now, take a good look at the time. What have you been doing ever since we have been in board meeting? Are you supposed to be cleaning this office at this hour?
I'm sorry, sir.
Listen to me, don't let me unleash hell on you. Because if you make me do, I will damage you beyond recognition. Gosh. It's like you are tired of this job,
No,
right?
sir. It's not happening.
Listen to me, you blockheaded. When next this repeat itself, I will fire you.
Sir,
Idiot! No, let me see your back. Idiot! What manner of a young lady is this? Hello?
Hello, dear. Yes, my dear.
I'm back.
Yeah.
How was your day?
That's good. And yours? How was the trip?
It was fine, but exhausting.
I can see it. Sorry.
So how did your day go? Anything new?
Oh, yes, my day went well. So cool. I had this exciting conversation with our son.
Wow, so how is he?
Doing very well, but that's not the most interesting part of it. Yes. Yes.
Oh, tell me. You know I'm not good at guessing.
Our son will be coming very soon.
When is he coming? Tell me.
Very soon.
How soon?
I want to make it a surprise.
I will start every preparation. His homecoming will be a grand one.
I'm not even true. Well, you know I'm getting old. So he's coming to take over the helms of our faith.
Wow. Nice.
I'll have more time for you. So, in terms of all the homework and preparation, I'll leave it to you.
Trust me, you know I'm good at that.
That one, I over trust you. I can gladly say it again. My love, I trust you.
Oh, stop.
Alright. Okay, but you know what to do now? Let's leave our sum out of this. Go in, freshen up, okay? You look tired. My love.
I will.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Oh. Even at old age, you still look beautiful. Damn, I thank God for marrying you.
Mom, are you okay? Hey, is it what? Alright. Alright. I'm fine. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm fine. How are you, my daughter? Have you eaten? Are you okay? You are not fine. I'm okay. Can't see. I'm smiling. I'm fine. I'm okay. How are you now? You are crying. I'm not crying. I just sweat. Like, no, I've been working. So that's the reason. How are you? You're looking cute. You're looking sweet. Have you eaten now? It's a lie. You're not fine. I am okay. Calm down. I'm smiling. How are you, my princess? Will you answer me now? I'm fine. Have you eaten? Huh? Yes. Okay. So are you done with sweeping the outside? Yes. Okay. So I hope you fetch that small gallon of water. Yes. Yeah. And I know like, what you are going to do now. You are going to pack out your clothes. Let's say Saturday. So I can just quickly wash your school uniform and your other dirty clothes. Are you? So do you hear me? Yes. So, go on, bring it. Are you okay? I said I'm fine. I'm smiling. I'm smiling. Go on, bring it out. Yeah? Alright, my love. Hi.
How are you?
Go on, sir. I was just about leaving when you bashed in.
I was just about doing that when you're batching. Gosh! Why are you stammering fearfully as if you have seen a ghost?
Okay, I fear you very well. Not me now. I fear you, girl.
Well, I like when my woman or women are scared of me. Do you know why? I'm an African man. African men are meant to dominate, to take charge of everything. Anyway, I want to apologize to you for the way I sounded yesterday. I can't believe I'm saying this to you. Are you surprised?
So I am surprised. I'm very surprised, sir.
It's okay. I like the way you arranged this office today. Very neat. Look at everywhere. Do you know if you continue like this, we aren't going to have any problem? It's okay. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.
I was just about to go out when you budging. Well, I love the way everybody's scared of Mr. Lewis. I am the boss here.
Yeah, that was how it happened though. You know, the business went well.
That's the beauty of it all.
Yeah, and I also know you will not take this.
I know it's not my
I know, it has been for long. But one day very soon, I'm going to take it.
Remember what the doctor told you?
Oh, not again. Come to think of it, there's something. Our son,
What about him?
he's getting old. His fiancée Felicity. In all my years as a business tycoon, I have not encountered a problem like Felicity. With due respect to women, she's a mystique to woman.
Womanhood.
She's a problematic error to motherhood.
You know, I don't like complaining. So people won't say some mother-in-laws are evil and I am.
Don't go there. We don't say mother-in-laws. Mother-in-law to be.
She always sees herself already as my daughter-in-law.
Well, I think I have a solution to the problem if you approve. Well, there's this beautiful lady I've been watching over the time. She actually works with us. Elogusa by name. And from my investigations, I believe she'll make a good wife for her son.
Really?
Yeah.
That'll be fine. Then I'll talk this girl out of him. Make him see reasons why he should go for the best.
It will gladden my heart if you do that. But I'm working on more profiles, which I will tell you some about her. But, she's good.
I
So-
want just the best for him.
Do I have an approval to continue?
Please do. Please do.
Do I have another approval?
Please do.
Oh, good. You're looking beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I can't wait to receive our son.
Awesome.
I've really missed him.
I'm sure it's the only reason you're with him.
I
Just
have
like this.
missed him, and I've prepared his best.
It's only him.
I prepared
You've
today.
forgotten that.
My son is here. Oh, my baby! Come. It's so good to see
Hey.
you. Welcome home. Welcome home.
How you doing, Mom?
I miss you, sir. My son is here.
No, sir.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Dad, you're looking good. You know.
You're not looking
Why is your
bad.
tummy looking so big? Mom, you're trying, you know.
I'm doing a good job.
If you go that way, well, they say like father, like son.
Oh. Oh, really? What is that saying, Mom? How are you looking? You're looking beautiful every time.
You know, each time I call you, you tell me, Mommy, take good care of yourself. Oh. Don't miss me too much. So, yes, I have to take care of myself.
I am still here.
Please don't be jealous.
Mm.
Don't be jealous.
I will continue to be. Musa,
Oh, Dad.
we're proud of you.
Oh.
And we are glad at your results and everything. Looking at the way you've grown, shows persistence. Looking at the way you've grown, shows persistence. And also shows one thing. You are the true son of your father.
Dad, you won't cease to amaze me all the time. I'm proud of you.
And I happens to be the lucky child in the world to have you as a father.
We are the luckiest parents to have you.
I want to thank you for all your support and everything. I'm grateful. Mom, you're the best gift of my life.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
So, now I've missed your meal, Mom.
I prepared your best.
No, you know my best, right?
Yes.
Oh, and plantain.
Your favorite.
Alright,
Please, let's go in.
My love.
No, sir.
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
How do you not tell me you're back in the country? And to even make matter worse, I found that you have written to your parents without even bothering to call me.
Listen, I am so sorry about that, okay? I should have called you, but I'm going to make it up to you, alright? I just wanted you to calm down.
You have been avoiding me. No, sir.
I am not, I'm sorry.
Even God. You barely call, text me. What is going on?
Nothing
Is everything between us?
Nothing is going wrong. Alright? I just need you to understand me. I had a lot on me, so I just had to sort it out. I didn't want to bother you with it, okay? But now that you know I'm around, I will make it up to you.
No, sir. I want to understand. You need to be honest with me. What is going on?
Nothing is going on. Can't you just get it? Alright? I just want you to know that I haven't forgotten about you. Alright, okay, fine. I'll make it up to you. Alright? Please,
Really?
I'll talk to you later. Just hold on. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, I want you to fix that. I'll see you today.
Gosh. Sir, are you okay?
Who called you in here? Are you dumb? Can't you speak? Who called you in?
Sir, I heard things falling and breaking. That's why I had to rush in. Are you hot?
You thought I was hot? Huh? I will show you what it means to be injured.
Stop it! I'm sorry, you're gonna stop that happening! Stop, please!
You don't ahead! I will show you what it means!
How's your relationship with my son?
It's going well. Yeah, it's going well. And about that, Sylvester told me earlier that we'll be attending an important meeting. Yeah.
So, what's your intentions? You really want to marry him, or you just frolicking around with him?
I'm in love with him, sir. I do really, really love him. I do.
So, you intend to...
About that, there's no way I can impregnate myself without us having intimacy.
Intimacy. Intimacy. You mean...
Mom? Greetings, Mom.
No, sir.
You're still up. What's going on? I thought you were sleeping by now.
God be worried.
You don't have to worry. You know it's a long day for me.
I tried reaching you on phone. Your phone was switched off.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Mom, what's going on?
Felicity, do the needful. Take him inside.
You're sounding as if I'm a baby. I can take care of myself. You don't need to worry. How are you? You good? Alright, I guess you're having a chit chat with my mother.
Yeah,
Come
but
on, it's
That's something for him to do. No, that's strange.
I hate you! I hate you, you bastard! I hate you! I hate you with everything that is in me! I hate you so much! I hate you!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm late for school. I'm already late for work already.
Oh, that's... Honey, to be honest with you, I am tired. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of my work. I'm tired of everything. I'm so tired.
I wish so too. Because ever since you started that job, you barely have time for me.
Oh.
And you always come home late.
Oh my baby. Mommy is so sorry. Mommy is super sorry. I am so sorry, honey. Mommy will make it up to you. Promise. Okay. You use this one to get whatever you want for school, okay?
Okay.
So you sit down. Yes. Let's just go. Our baby girl. Izegbe.
Ma?
Izegbe. Izegbuwa.
Ma?
Where did you get this money from? Because look at this huge amount of money. How did you meet him? How?
No, like I said before, as I was about crossing the road with my goods, I saw the man. The man was knocked me down with his car. So he came down from his car and was asking me how much for my goods. Before I was able to calculate the goods, his phone rang and he gave me the money and left.
All this.
Yes.
All this. This. Look at it now. All this for. Are you sure you are telling me the truth?
Yes.
Did he touch you? Then let me start from there. Did he touch you?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hey! Look at money, oh. My God. But wait. Should I have already warned you not to take money from strangers? I warned you several times. But you still went ahead and collected this one from him. Well, as far as he did not touch you, don't try it again, no. Don't collect money from strangers.
Yes, ma.
Yeah. Go inside and look for something to eat. Hey. Come on. Ha! This man must be an angel. Thank you, Lord. Look at money. Plenty money. Ha! Angel of God. On planet Earth. Is yet be. Ha!
No, sir. No, sir. I'm talking to you, no, sir.
Young lady, what is it? Why are you screaming my name like that?
I want to go for test. And our result came out positive and fine. Good. So why do you keep using protection on me during intimacy?
Do you think this is the right time for you to bring up this issue? As you can see, I have an important meeting to catch up this moment. Alright? Don't stop me like that again.
Am I irritating you? Or is there another woman?
What is your problem, Felicity?
Oh! You're even calling me by my name. Oh! You're even calling me by my name. You heard me sound out clear. So it's true. There's another woman in the picture.
What is your problem, Felicity? Listen, I don't have time for all these campus stories. Alright? You made mention of me making use of protection. Fine. I will come back to that question when I'm back. But as it is right now, I have an important meeting to catch up. Alright? If you don't have anything reasonable to say, then go inside there and take care of yourself.
You go nowhere. No, sir! No, sir! No, sir, come back here! We haven't done yet, no, sir. No, sir, come back here! You come back and meet me.
Where is that low lifer? Huh? Why is my office so unkept?
I'm sorry, sir. I haven't seen her.
I see. She's the boss now, right? So she decides when to come and when not to come to work. She's not taking her course. We shall see. Now, you pick up a broom and a mop. Then go and tidy up my office now.
Excuse me, sir.
Are you deaf? Did you hear me? I said pick up a broom and a mop and tidy that place right now. Come on, move it. Just look at the way she's walking sluggishly. It's a woman like you that takes up that office every morning. Nonsense.
That's it, sir.
Huh?
That's it, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Thanks, sir. Sir, you don't know me?
Have I met you before?
Yes, sir. You get your voice note.
Oh, that's true. Sorry for my manners. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, so what are you doing here?
I came to see my classmates.
Oh, your classmate stays around here.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's nice. So tell me, what class are you?
G2.
Wow, you're a big girl. So tell me, how is your parents and the family?
My mom is fine.
Your mom is fine.
Yes.
When I'm talking about your parents, I actually refer to both parents. Your mom and your dad.
I mean, my mom is fine.
How about that? Well, sorry. I don't mean to be nosy, okay? So you said you're going to meet your classmate.
Yes, sir.
I guess you're a smart girl. How much is your school fees?
25,000.
25,000.
Yes, sir.
Have you paid for it?
Yes, sir.
You haven't? Oh. I'm sorry about that. So, I think I have something. You can have this. Alright?
Thank you,
Give
sir.
it to your mom to pay your school fees.
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Always be a good girl.
Yes, sir.
Take your studies serious. Alright?
Yes, sir.
And make sure you go home on time.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Wow, such a sweet girl. Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Huh?
Please try again later. Thank you.
Where is this guy now?
You have the guts to lie on my face. You have the guts to lie to me.
I'm telling you.
No. You cannot say anything. What do you want to say? What do you want to explain? A man from nowhere just come and gave you money and you gladly accepted it.
I was supposed to tell you yesterday, but you...
Why what? Why what? What? Okay. He gave you money that day. Yesterday again. Okay, he gave you another money. Okay, now you are expecting me to believe you. What connection do you have with the man? What connection do you have with the man? Tell me.
I'm telling you the truth.
You have the truth. What truth? What connection do you have with him? Okay. What is his name?
I don't know.
Where does he live?
I don't know.
I don't know. Mommy, I don't know. You want me to believe you? You want me to believe you when I've already warned you? Not once. Do not collect money from strangers. Did I warn you? Didn't I? I will go to work my ass off for you and you will still lie to my face. Why? So you cannot say anything. You don't know what to say. You don't know what to say. You are lying to me. I'm supposed to be your friend, your partner in every way. So now you are lying to me. Right? You don't have anything to say, right?
I'm telling you the truth.
What truth is that? How you don't have any connection with him? How he have not touched you? He have not touched you. You know, I can literally go crazy. I don't even know what to believe. I don't even know if to believe you or not. What do you have to say about it? What? You don't have anything to say, right? You don't have any way to justify yourself. You don't have any way to justify your actions. By collecting the money from somebody that you don't even know. You don't even know if he's alive. You don't even know if he's dead. You don't even know if he's a ghost. You just collect the money and bring it to my house. You go and return it. I don't know how you do it, but you go and return that money.
But I don't know where the man stays.
No, you will know because this is not the first time that you're collecting money from him. This is the second time. So you go and return it. Maybe if you hold the money, you'll be walking down the street, you'll see him. You will see him again, no. You will see him. Because I don't want anything to happen to you. You don't even know if he's a ritualist. You just collect money from him. Bruh. I am not a fool. Maybe I might be a school sat. But, see, I don't want anything to happen to you. You are my eyes. You are my ears. You are my leg. You are my hand. You are the reason why I walk. You are the reason why I walk my ass off. You are the reason. You are the reason, no. Let me not talk, but you are the reason. I don't want anything to happen to you. Is that clear? You carry that money, You go and look for him. That's all I have to say.
Mommy, try and believe me. I'm telling you the truth. Mommy.
Hello, what's where you're going? Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
I left my ATM card at the staff room. Let me just quickly go and get it.
Okay, it's not comfortable for yesterday. What happened?
It's a long story, but I'll brief you later. Where is Mr. Lewis?
There you go. He's upstairs, drunk and helpless, as usual.
Drunk?
Yes.
What happened?
He just came in and started barking like a dog.
No problem. Let me just quickly get my ATM card and head home.
Madam, please come to work tomorrow. I was forced to do your duties.
Yes, I have seen them. But please, when you do, make sure you lock them. I'll get back to you.
Good day, sir.
You are not on your uniform. Why?
Take.
What is this?
Go through it.
Oh my God! Ah! What level was your education in school? So you don't know the difference between formal and informal letter?
So I don't care. All I know is I quit.
Listen, hello, sir.
So don't hurt me. I am not your wife.
We can settle this. Is it because of the way I acted to you? See, I know I have treated you bad ever since you started working with me in this company. But you pay me back with kindness. Okay, just look at the way you normally keep the office clean. Listen, hello, sir. You go nowhere.
So my mind is already made up. I have to go. I quit. Working here is not by force.
Like I say, we can settle this. Listen, we can settle this, no matter what it takes. Let's go somewhere, sit down and talk about this whole thing.
So I'll take it or leave it. I quit. My mind is already made up. Bye.
Hello, sir! What have I gotten myself into? I think I've messed up.
Felicity, what's happening? Why are you taking your bag to?
As you can see, I'm leaving his house. In fact, I'm leaving him, so I'm tired.
Has it gotten to this? Huh? Can't you two sit down and talk and sort things out amicably?
No, there's nothing to talk about. I'm tired. The truth is, Nosa does not know what he wants. No, he does not know what he wants. There are thousands of men out there who's ready to love and adore me. Mom, I'm tired. And I can't bear it anymore. Mom, please. There's a cab outside waiting for me. I need to leave. And by the time he comes back, tell me I'm already gone. If you love and adore me, know where to find me.
What?
What?
You're beautiful.
Say what?
A lot we are really hidden in that office blood of yours.
Okay.
I never knew you were this hot.
Right now, I am feeling so uncomfortable. I think I should leave.
No. Please don't. I'm sincerely sorry if I made you uncomfortable.
Alright.
I never had the intention to, please. Actually, I really want to apologize for my rude and uncultured manners towards you and his wife.
It's fine. Like I said earlier, an African man is an African man, and an African man always dominates, right?
No, hello, sir. I was wrong all along.
Oh.
Please forgive me.
Oh.
See, I really want to know you more. I want to be part of you. What's funny?
Part of me, you say?
Yeah.
Do not bite what you cannot chew.
And what do you mean by that?
My brother, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It has been long.
The things to be a man, it's not easy.
I cannot believe she actually walked away just like that.
My brother, that is what I've been going through. She has been nagging all day long, trying to push me into early marriage. Every time she wants to want me to get serious with her. Why am I not getting serious? Why am I not doing this? Why I'm tired of it. For how long, bro?
There is a say that a woman do not actually know what she wants until she lost it. So you need to calm down. Come to think of it, take her serious as her. Didn't she know that you are a businessman? And you need time to put things in place?
No, she doesn't know. She doesn't know. The thing is that she's acting so desperate. I don't even know what she wants. She wants me to get married to her. She wants me to get her pregnant. She just wants everything to happen within a minute. I have a lot of things on my desk that I need to trash. She's not giving me that space. She doesn't understand. It's not like I'm trying to be hostile to her, but I'm taking everything, Jake. I still love her.
To think of it, she just wants. She have given you enough time, and she wants you to take her to the altar. You know, my brother, a coin has two faces. You know that.
Elvis, when we came to this place, I thought you had something important to discuss with me. At this point of time, I realized that you're sad. What is your problem? Huh? So everything I've been saying right now doesn't make any sense to you.
Like,
Huh?
take a look at this beautiful child. It's a very big abuse to the gender.
What is that?
Do you know her?
How are you doing, my sunshine?
I'm fine, sir, but I'm not comfortable with all this sweet pleasantries. Just let me do my work and let me go, sir.
Why do you hate me that much?
Sir.
Haven't I apologized for all my sick behavior towards you?
Okay. Sir, my job here is done, sir.
Hey, you're beginning to make me get angry. You are beginning to make me angry. I'm not done talking. I have begged you. I have apologized for all my wrongdoings. Yet, you are not seeing anything good in it. I have talked to you quietly to be mine, but it seems you don't want it. Hey! Listen to me. I have begged you. I have done all to make you see the other side of me. But since you are not ready to compromise, right now, I'm going to take it by force. And now!
Stop,
If you don't give
stop,
I will
please don't do this. What is it, Dad? Isabella, you are just as correct.
Yes, and I'm late.
Late? Still have 30 minutes. Have you eaten? Why? Go and look for something to eat. 30 minutes. And just... Yeah, let me just quickly dress up so I can take it to school.
Oh my God. Wow. You're so sweet.
Thank you.
I enjoy it.
Thank you. Oh, babe.
What?
No, son will kill us if you not found out about this.
Thank God you safe. And it's under probability. He will not trust me. Okay?
What if?
No, sir, he's not a saint. No, sir, to have skeleton in his cupboard.
How do you mean by that?
You're asking me. Don't worry. I want to enjoy you more.
Please stop.
I want to enjoy you.
What is this I'm hearing? Chief, you welcome, sir. Please sit down.
Tell me this is not true.
Please, sir. I can't explain. Please just sit down.
Mr. Lewis, you better explain what you used 100 million for!
Chief, please. I actually used it for the company's promotion, sir.
Promotion?
Yes, sir.
Do I look daft to you? Am I that dumb to you?
No, sir.
Oh, you think I am not aware of the disappearance of the zonal secretary? Oh, you think I'm not aware of that? By the time I'm through with you and the zonal secretary, the only thing left with you will be a little iota of bread.
Please, sir. Like I said, I can explain. Please, why don't you sit down so I can explain things to you, sir? Please.
Explain.
Please, sir. I can explain. Why don't you just sit down so I can explain things to you, sir?
It's okay. You explain. It's alright. I think the better place, the most convenient place for you to do the explanation will be in the state CID.
No, sir.
Let me call the police commissioner.
Sir, you have to go to that, sir. Please, sir. I can explain, sir.
Shut up! Shut up! Hello? Commissioner? You are here. It's with me.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Dada, I'm just tired. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Hey, concerning the issue you told me about your daughter, please, I want you to pay very good attention to that girl. You know she's a little girl. You know, in this generation we are now, you can't trust men. I know my baby is able. She's very good. I know she's good, but you can't trust men. Most especially men of nowadays, please. You need to pay good attention to her. Make sure you watch her closely, her walking step, everything about her. Just, I don't know, I want you to look her very well because of that guy. Me, I don't trust that girl. I know your daughter is good, but I don't trust that guy.
Even me.
Please.
This is why you met me at home today. You need to be thanking God because I had to call in sick for work because I'm tired. I need to watch my baby. Even if let me just have a time. Understand?
If at all, I just said I should come and check up on you.
Thank you.
It has been long.
Thank you.
You're looking good, not that bad.
I'm looking good like this. See, I'm tired. That work is stressing me.
Okay, what's really going on?
Many things. A lot is really going. Me, I'm tired though.
But
I should just gonna go your ass. Don't
no, my friend. I came to see you today. If at all.
Because you might just make I can't start to the crib. Make I think my picky days hard to forget. I don't want to take.
Okay, girl. See you later. Yeah. Okay, now.
See ya, my love. This month I go through work stress, stress. My own baby girl won't still put me for stress. Is it,
What does it take me for? Excuse me, young lady. Are you not the one that won the best staff of the year?
Yes, sir.
Hello, good sir.
That's right, sir.
But that nincompoop told me you don't work here anymore.
I had the intention of leaving before, sir. So, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Right now, I don't have time for this. This is my complimentary card. Make sure you call me. Okay?
Sir. Sir, like I said, I still want to apologize, sir. Please, give me more time to explain this to you.
For what?
Chief, you know me better. I really don't know how.
No worries! See, one more word from you, and trust me, the devil himself will be surprised at what will happen.
Chief, Chief.
Shut up! I'm not interested in your trash.
Legal, sir.
Yes.
Inspector Davis from the Commissioner of Police, sir.
Oh, he sent you?
Yes, sir.
The commissioner?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's the trash.
Okay, sir. Davis, sir. I'm Inspector Davis from the Commissioner of Police. It's
Hey, come on, please. Take your record. I'm not resisting arrest.
sir, you have the right to remain silent. Whatsoever you say or do will be used against you.
I will accept my fate. Thank you, Chief.
Move, sir.
Keep your position to yourself around nonsense. Who is this? Lucy!
Elvis, please wait, please. What are you saying? Are you joking or you are serious?
Fidelity, or whatever they call you. See, let me tell you, if you do not transfer the money to me in less than 48 hours, I will send your sex tape to the internet.
Elvis, please, Elvis, please. Elvis, please don't do this to me, please, Elvis. Why are you blackmailing me, Elvis?
Me blackmailing you? What's your problem? Are you mad?
Elvis, please don't do this
Dare
to
me.
me, please.
If
Elvis,
you want me,
please.
you know how to get me. Just call me or give me a call.
Elvis,
Don't touch me. What's your
Elvis,
problem?
please,
Get out.
please. Elvis, please. Oh my God, I'm finished. Elvis, please. Oh my God, I'm finished. Elvis. Oh my Elvis, please, Elvis, please.
Make I tell you, all this kakaboo story when you just dey talk so, it not concern me at all. It not concern me. For 2 months, 2 months, you never pay me chichi. I use your money to build this house. I use your money to build this house.
They never pay me salary. If they pay me salary, I will give you. And they put a little small thing on top. Landlord, I beg. Landlord, I beg, and they beg you. Landlord, I beg now. Landlord, I beg.
Make I tell you, this one una dey beg so, come, you won't do it like Ezegbonene. Now me give your useless mama belle. Una come get the man come feel say una come dey stay in my house for free. This house, wanna look am from up, look and read down. I use your money build down.
Landlord, no.
May you wear boy, I use your money build down.
Landlord, we go pay.
Dog boy.
Landlord, we go pay. We not say we no go
2
pay.
months.
Landlord, we go pay. I'll show you. I go pay. They pay me salary now. I go pay you back.
That one na ring it too for your ear. As I dey look you so, both you and your pikin when you do it like Ezegbonene so. Alele make una vamoose come from my compound.
We go pay.
Wazaga.
We go pay. Landlord, I beg now.
Landlord.
Hey, God, no. You won't go. I don't tire. Landlord, oh. Landlord, I beg now. We go pay. Landlord, we go pay. That be just 2 months. Landlord, we go pay. I go give you small tissue. Landlord, I beg. Landlord, no. He's here, me.
I presume you're wondering why we're here. A logo, right? Let me be specific. Bridget, a logo, Martin. From the first day we met, I've been watching you from behind. Did some in-depth investigations on you. Hold it. You have 1,000,000 to 1,000,000,000 questions to ask. And I just have one answer to give you. And I hope you accept. I want you to accept my son and marry my son.
What?
Yes.
You what?
Son, you're the perfect woman I've seen in his life. Please.
Okay. I am confused. I don't know what to say. But that's on my part. Have you thought about my daughter?
Your daughter. I did not just think of only your daughter. I thought of a lot of things. I'll settle your debts, pay your daughter's school bills, give you money to start up a business. But let me surprise you. The bank with you be Enobusa, Bridget, Martina. Accept my son, let us be one big happy family. I'll give you whatever you want.
Okay. I fear that the father of my child may come back. I have this strong urge that he's coming back.
I did put that into consideration. But it's not going to be a problem. Yeah. I just have this belief that things will take care of itself.
Okay, alright, I need to start going because I'm confused.
Fine, it's okay by me. Before you leave, what should they order for you?
No, water is okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
Fine, if you insist, I will drop you off as we go. Send someone into your account. And I'll give you time to think about it. Get back to me.
I'll think about it.
Calm down.
Can we just go?
No. Let me get something for your daughter.
Okay.
Who is there? Get us shawarma. Package it.
Who be that one? Who be the Baba Lawe? How we are more Bunari? Who be that? One spoil my door. Who you be?
Good afternoon, sir.
Do?
My boss now send me come. So I give you for Elegus harassment.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Oh. Enough for an egg. Okay. No problem. Call your. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Too much she dey owe me o. I dey see rentage for 1 year. Ono na no gare na giunre na we sure we o ma moto to no gare na. Enough one here. And when they were German, ina we ni amulai. She no agree. Down mama. Ya dona ina. You woman no.
My God. What is this? What is this? Don't tell me this is the place you're living. This is so unhygienic. This is where you live. Take this one. Come on, come on. Who is here? Come out, please.
You want to spoil this door? You know how much for a door?
Let me not battle words with you. I am Chief Doctor Best Ukon. And the Logosa here works with me. I'm here to pay her bills. How much is it? So that she will pack out of this place you call a house.
Whether you be chief or anything when you be, not insult my house. For your house, you be king. For my house, I be king. For the money when you dey talk about, person don already come pay for her.
So she's not owing you.
Now the money still dey my hand. As I dey ready to count am, now you take console, come dey shout for my house.
Fine. Pack her things out. We are going out together. She will not live here.
Person don pay for her.
You can keep the money. Do you want more?
I resemble with them. If you give me, I go
then
collect
open
now.
the door. Let's pack her things. You're wasting my time. Do you mind?
Not come dey insult me. Now my house be this. Agbo.
She's not owing you anything.
No, person don't pay. See the money. Oye gbe work.
And you don't have any properties in here.
No, these are what
Good. I'll take you to a hotel where you freshen up, rest very well, then we'll discuss other things, okay? I don't want you in this eyesore you call a house.
Oga. Doligbe damigbo not try am. Now my house you dey call waiting. Not try am.
Go into the car.
And then logo sorry me ba mo koko ni adolo do wa re. No me now we all tin fun emu.
Mr. Landlord, if I see you or have an iota of your aroma around them, I will lock you. You'll be praying for death. Fool.
Oh, gaga itu eje. Ya gbegbo are Joshua Odoni. Azaga.
First of all, we're going to be staying. Right? Oh, my dear. Oh, my dear. How are you? You're looking beautiful. If there's another creation, I'm going to marry you. I'm sorry, my dear. The girl I told you about.
What is going on
You
here?
this demon!
Come, wait. My son is not a demon. Do both of you know each other? But you come this way.
I mean, how did you get to find me? Because I have searched everywhere for you. I mean,
You impregnated me. You ruined my life and you ran away. Please.
I did what? I impregnated you?
Yes.
Jesus.
You left me.
I'm lost. Hello, sir. Son, can both of you tell us what is going
on? The lights up my world in a way I never thought it was possible.
Sir, you bring your light into my life. Like, I've never in my life felt such a way that I am feeling now. Thank you.
I love you. I want you to know that I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I love you too. I love you more. I love you more than this world. Out of it. What knows that? Are you sure you love me? Are you really sure? I need proof. I need sense. I need it, please. Are you sure you love me? Are you sure you love a poor girl like me?
I love you with every single breath that I take in. Look at me. I want you to know that I will be here for you until my last breath. I love you so much, more than life itself. And I don't want you to always consider yourself as a poor girl. You're not poor. You're very rich in my heart. Yeah, of course. I'll see you soon. Of course, yeah, I'll be leaving the village today. Yeah. Oh, come on. I'll call you back. Babe.
So you're literally leaving me today.
Hey, listen. I don't want you to feel bad. I'm only going there to console. It's not like I'm leaving you for life.
How much I will see you again?
Oh, come on, you will always see me. My heart is with you. Alright? Listen. I don't want you to feel like I am going to abandon you. Or probably when I get over there, I will not think about you again. I am not like that. Every memory that we share together means everything to me.
Then why are you leaving me? I feel that you're actually leaving me. That's what I'm feeling.
No, it's okay. I am not leaving you, my love. Okay? I'll come back for you. You know I love you very much.
I love you too.
It's okay. It's okay. Alright. Just put yourself together. Alright now. I think I have something. It actually means nothing, but this is part of me. It's a sign of my love for you. I want you to always put it in. Part of me is with you. I'll come back for you. Alright?
Okay. Is that a promise?
I want you to keep yourself.
I will. Please don't forget me, and I will never forget you. I swear. I will never.
It's okay.
Let's just go so you can't get late.
It's alright.
That's what's happened. That's what he did to me. You left. I thought I've lost you forever. You left. No. This can't be happening right now. This can't be happening. This cannot be happening. You gave me this. As a token of love you promised. Years ago. Do you still remember? I still have it on every day. Every day. Wow. I appreciate it.
Listen, my love.
Wow. No. Don't
I'm sorry. Listen, I'm totally sorry. I did not forget about it. Listen to me. On that very day I left, I lost my phone. And there was no means I could reach you. Like, a whole lot happened to me. I'm so sorry. Listen, ever since I left you, I haven't moved on. I have never loved a woman just like the way I did towards you. And I know her. I recognize her.
Okay.
Tell me, who is she?
That's the gift you left me with.
Huh?
That's the gift you left me with! That's your child!
My grandchild.
That's your child! Are you happy now? After ruining my life! Now I thought my life is back, right on track. You came back again. Why?
Listen. Wait. My child?
Wow. You couldn't even say anything. After all these years. So you go close to my child. Why you go close to my child? You think you can just come walk back into our lives? No. See.
Hello, sir. Bridget!
Hello, sir. You have every right to be mad at me. You have every right to hate me so much this minute. But I just want you to know that I never left you.
You did leave me! You did! You left! You left me! You know how hard it took me to work and raise my child, do you? I never forgot about you. You were always in my head. You were always in my mind. You were there. You left me. Probably you might not know I have a child, but you left me. You promised me no. You promised to be there for me, but you left. When I needed you the most, you vanished. No.
I feel so ashamed of myself right now. I know I'm not worthy to even stand in your presence, but I want you to know something, that I am sorry. Anyhow you want me to prove it, I'm sorry.
But you know I loved you. You knew I loved you.
I still love you. Please, don't let the lights that must ignite in between us to fade away. Please, give this a second chance. Please.
A second chance for you to use me.
Listen. I want to marry you. Hey.
I can't.
Listen. I want this family to stand up together again. I love you today, tomorrow and forever. You remember I said that?
I don't believe you. I believe you.
It's okay, it's okay. Please. Just marry me. It's you that my heart beats for, please. It's okay. Come. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I'll be your wife.